What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We got the car parked up in front, and here, actually, let me go over here. I don't want to spoil it for you guys. I know you guys want to see the wheels on the car. Trust me, I want to show you guys as well, but it's a little bit more quiet. Sorry for the wind noise. Let me come over here real quick. Guys, we have the wheels on the car. It is all set. It is looking freaking amazing. It looks so damn good. It is just super dirty right now. As you guys can see, it is super windy over here in Cali, and just a bunch of dust and dirt is all over the car. And I don't want to show you guys exactly how it looks yet. I kind of want to tease you guys, play with you guys a little bit on how they actually look on the car. And super dirty right now, so my plan was to wash it, show you guys at a cool little more quiet spot so you guys can see it all around, talk about the rims more and the wheels and everything, and then maybe even get some rollers. Might have some of the boys come help me get some rollers of how they looks actually rolling on the street and everything. But guys, it looks freaking epic. Let me I wish I could just show you guys right now. I don't want to show you guys though. You guys have to tune in a little bit more and just wait, because they look freaking dope. I'm looking at them right now. I'm looking at the car right now, and I just want to flip the camera so bad. I don't want to show you guys, but I just can't. I want to show you guys when it's all cleaned up. So make sure to just hit that fat like, comment, subscribe if you're into any of car related stuff. Your boy is out here trying his best, and I think we are onto something, guys. This car is looking super good, even though it looks so dirty right now. You guys are gonna be freaking blown away. So if you guys like any car content, subscribe, join the fam, because we are growing slowly. And yeah, so like I said, I want to show you guys all this. Trust me, I really do, right off the bat. But they look super dirty, and what would be better, obviously, to show you guys when it's super clean. So I'm gonna wash the car, not make this intro too long, and let's just get straight to business. So let's wash the car, wash the wheels, take it to a little spot, get some rollers maybe, and continue with the video. Stay tuned. Let's go. Ooh, it's a little tease right there. Kind of want to show you guys, but I can't. It looks so freaking good. I have to turn it this way. All right, guys, so just dried it off, and it looks so freaking good. Like, you guys do not understand how freaking good it looks. And I want to show you guys, and the sun is going down, so I wish the sun was a little bit more up so you guys can see the actual paint and everything. But I think we should be good, and if not, probably pick this up tomorrow or another day or something. But I'm looking at it right now, and it looks you guys gotta see it. Okay, hold on. All right, we're gonna go to a little spot right now, show you guys, and let me know what you guys think. So let's just go. All right, you guys, so picking this up the next day. Yesterday the sun went down, finished washing the car too late, didn't have time. Sorry for the wind noise. I know it's gonna be super annoying, but we came to a spot now, and I think it's time, guys. I think it's time that we show you guys exactly how she looks. Let's just get into it. We've made this already too long enough. Let me show you guys the wheels, and these are the new wheels on my 2018 Mustang GT. Sheesh. Look at this, boys. Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking good. SVE wheels right there, as you guys can see. So yes, guys, these are the new wheels on my Mustang GT, and guys, I freaking love how they came out. I did not expect them to come out looking this good, but they look so freaking good in person. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it just makes the car look so freaking clean. The whole body lines of the whole car, the wing, the diffuser, the exhaust and everything, just the whole body of it, like the fastback body of the Mustang, how it goes a little bit longer over here and then it just starts to, like, you know, get all together over here. It just looks so freaking good with these wheels. And one thing I really love about these wheels, obviously, is the design and just how they look, but also because of it actually has a lot of concave. They have a lot of concave, so as you guys can see, they actually go in like this. And then my favorite part is just how freaking good does that Brembo caliper look. Oh my gosh, it just ties up so freaking good. I already posted a picture on the Instagram. Everybody freaking approves. They love the wheels. I showed all my friends and they really love the wheels. At first when I showed them, they too were a little bit skeptical exactly on how they were gonna look, just like how I was as well. But I have the vision, guys. I got the vision, and here she is. Here she is. So let me know what you guys think. Here, I'm gonna do a whole walk around, a little bit more quiet, so you can just admire the car. So clean. They're just so clean to me. I don't know, it's just such a freaking clean design. I love how these wheels turned out. I can't explain how much, like, they made the car look so much better. I don't know, it just made the car look like a completely different car. And like I said, guys, and all the car fanatics know, all the people that are into cars know that wheels are literally one of the biggest things that will change the car. It will change it from looking either really good or really bad. So I'm just happy that this came out really, really good, because like I said, I was a little bit skeptical also. At first I was like, man, what if they don't look good? What if they, you know, look at this, guys. This looks so freaking good. I just wish the camera would pick it up a little bit more. Obviously it probably will not pick it up, like, you know how they look with the concave, unless I go in super close, but from far they might not look too much. But guys, they look so freaking good in person, I promise. And it just looks so well, like I tell you, these wheels, I feel like tie up the whole car really well with the spoiler. And I was actually thinking of maybe getting rid of this spoiler, but with this wheels and it actually just rolling in the street and just around, I've had some friends kind of record me already driving around, and it looks just so good. It ties up the whole car. So now I'm a little debating if I should even get rid of that wing. I think I might just keep it on for a little bit longer and rock it, actually, or maybe even keep it just in general. This is by far like my favorite setup. Well, it's my only setup, so obviously it's by far my favorite setup. And I actually sold the previous performance pack wheels to somebody. I sold them to a local person right here, put it up on the Facebook market, and literally the next day they sold. So I kind of basically got the money back for these, so it's all good. You know, your boy made some profit, and I got some new wheels, and that other person got into some new wheels. So, you know, it's like a win-win situation. I really like the performance pack wheels, and I know those will, you know, pretty much always hold their value because people really like those wheels and people go out of their way to actually buy those wheels. Fortunately for me, I actually got them with the car. I rocked them on for like a year and like 4 months up to this day. So I put these on, and I just got a little bit tired of it, to be honest, guys. It's just, since I got this car, I always wanted to go a different route. I've probably said that a lot during my channel, and I really live by that word. So I want to make my car unique. I want to make it like a piece of me, how I like it. And yeah, so we're literally taking it step by step, little by little, but she's coming out so freaking good. And then let me actually talk about the tire specs and actually tell you guys what I went with. So these are actually the Toyo Proxys T1 Sports. These are the ones that one of my boys actually hooked it up, gave me a really good deal on both of them, so shout out to him. They are 325s, 30s, 19s in the back, so we could rock that huge wide rim. This is a 19 by 11 inch rim, so it is a huge rim, so I had to complement it with a huge tire. And then the day that I got them installed, I actually got just some little cheap tires from the guy, and he gave me a really good deal also with the whole installment and everything. And I don't know, they're just radial tires. I don't know, it's just some cheap tires right there, and I don't really care really. I just kind of wanted it to look good, and it looks freaking good. And these are actually 275 35s 19 up front, so it looks honestly really good. And I was a little bit more scared because of the wheel gap and how bad it was gonna look. And don't get me wrong, it's pretty bad, okay? It's pretty bad, guys, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Honestly, it is not as bad. And if you guys could see it in person and see my car in person, it's not that bad. It is not that bad at all. So I'm not too bummed out about that, but I will lower this car. Give me a few months, or like I said, like two max maybe, to actually lower this car and make it look spot on. But man, it looks so freaking good. It looks so dope. It just looks like a whole new car. Really know this is going to be a super long video. I just wanted to really keep you guys updated, kind of show you guys how the wheels look on the car, because I am excited to make some freaking new content with these wheels, get some new rollers, get everything all set up. And look out for that video, guys, because I was actually going to put some like rolling footage into this video, but I was like, might as well just get a whole separate video and really show you guys of me and the guys just driving around downtown. You guys can hear the car, hear those bald eagles come out, and obviously see the wheels as they're moving and, you know, rolling. So that will be a whole separate video. Look out for that one, which I will be super excited to film with all the guys. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think should be the next mods. Do you guys like the wheels? Do you guys hate the wheels? I personally love these wheels, as you guys can tell. Now just gotta drop her a little bit, add some more little cosmetic goodies, and just make it like part of us. So let me know what you guys think. What should be next? What do you guys think of the car? How's it coming along? I don't know, it just feels like a super good feeling knowing, like, you know, people compliment your car. They tell you like, man, these wheels look so good, or your car looks so good. It feels good at the same time, because it's like you're putting all this hard work, you're making it a piece of you, and it gets recognized. So I don't know, it just feels good when, like, you know, people tell me like, yo, I love your car's so dope, I love the whole design. And I'm like, man, they see the vision, they see what I'm trying to work for, they see what I'm working for, and it just feels good. So I appreciate all the love and support, guys. Like I said, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam if you guys are into any car related stuff, and all the new videos coming up to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace.